Hey, what's up everybody? So yeah, some updates, the machine's all up and running, as you saw in the previous video. So I have been working on a personal project. What I decided I was going to do was make some Magic the Gathering tokens. So I found this elf online and, you know, worked on seeing how it would come out. But considering the game, you know, that's fairly large. Which that does look good at that size, but it just ultimately is a lot of real estate. So I decided to make it much smaller. So I started doing a bunch of testing, and ultimately the final product were these bad boys. So these are my 1/1 elf tokens for the game. So whenever I'm putting out tokens, I can just pop these bad boys out so you can see them in comparison to the card. They're actually not very large at all. Don't take up a lot of real estate on the table, so it's pretty cool. I have another image for silhouette. I got to bring down the power on this so that way it doesn't have that huge heat stain, but either way, still some additional tokens. And I am right now currently working on making some 4/4 beast tokens for my brother's deck. So I, you know, kind of toying around with the power and the speed, because one of the things that I noticed when making the elves last night is that I really needed to figure out a way to speed up the production of these and still keep them in a good quality, because these took hours to make. That was a complete full sheet that I made last night. So, and it took hours, and I mean like hours. So I'm working around with the, you know, the beast and trying to figure out how to get it to where it's creating one beast at least within under 15 minutes. So we'll see how this goes. If everything looks good, then I'll go ahead and stage the application and start creating the beast tokens.